Hey guys, how you doing? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I'm just going to show you some of my favorite products to get a very natural, youthful look with makeup, and I love cream products. Before I do anything in the morning, I moisturize my neck, my eyes, and my face. I really love this neck cream. I think it's called Preya. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. It is ageless throat and décolletage or décolleté cream. I love it. The scent of it is just fabulous. It smells like a spa every time I open it. Oh my gosh. And I will list all these products down in my description box. Another serum that I really love to use on my face is this one. This is called Décolleté Liposome Advanced Repair Serum, and it is an anti-aging serum. Oops, I did something I shouldn't have done. I picked something on my face. Guys, don't do that. You will leave a scar. I'm going to have to get my esthetician to help me with that the next time I get a skin pen and try to get rid of that redness. Like I was saying, this Décolleté serum, what it does is it really kind of primes my face for makeup and it gives my face a beautiful glow and kind of fills in those fine lines and wrinkles. For my eyes, I always put some type of eye cream or eye serum on. And this is an oldie but a goodie. It is a caffeine eye cream by a company called Windsor. This product is made in the United States. And you know, I got this a long time ago and I didn't think I was going to love this cream as much as I do, but it's a very cushiony, thick, kind of yummy eye cream. And it just makes my eye area so hydrated. I'm really showing you a lot of my favorite products that I use really on an everyday basis. All right, now for my eyes. I do a super easy eye look using my most favorite eye shadows, and those are the Caviar Sticks from Laura Mercier, and two of my favorite colors are Rose Gold and Cocoa. I like to mix those two together. So what I do is I'll put some Rose Gold on my lid, tap it in with my finger. I'm just going to do one eye for you, and then I'll do the other eye off camera. But I like to just swipe that over my eye, and it just gives a really easy, super eyeshadow look. It's so easy to do. I don't even use powders anymore. I have so many powder palettes that I don't even touch. I live every day with these eye creams. And then on top of that, I like to mix a little bit of the cocoa. I put it along my lash line and I put it on my lid. I like to line my eyes a little bit, but I never line my eyes with black, only brown. You know, most of my life, even when I was younger, I didn't like black eyeliner or black eye cream. I used to always think it was too harsh around my eyes. As I've gotten older, no way. I never use black, only brown. I am using a little bit of that on my lash line, on the upper lash line and the lower lash line, and also on the lid, blending it in. And then along the top lash line, I'm also going to use one of my favorite eyeliners. It is the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Bourbon, which is a beautiful, just a very rich, beautiful brown shade. It's not matte. It just makes my eyes sparkle. I love it. So I just run that along only my upper lash line. Next, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I have had this eyelash curler for such a long time. It is from Kevyn Aucoin. It is one of the best eyelash curlers I've ever tried. I've had it for years. The little rubber thing didn't come off of it. It is just so well made, and it does a beautiful job of curling my eyelashes. And then my favorite mascara still is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Love this mascara. I'm going to put that on my upper eyelashes and my lower eyelashes. Now I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and I will be right back. So as you can see, both of my eyes are done, and it is a very, very natural look. I hardly look like I have any makeup on. Next, I love this Ulta Stick Foundation. It's a really nice cream foundation. It is a super dark shade because I'm going for a little bit more of a bronzy look. Don't panic at the color. I do tone it down over time, but I'm going to put this on my cheeks, on my temple area, on my nose, and blend it all in to give my face a little bit of color as if it was just tanned by the sun without ever going in the sun. Now I'm going to mix in a primer, and I love this primer so much. It is from DHC. It is called Base Makeup. It's kind of a color correcting primer, but they don't make this anymore, and I am so sad about it. This is just a fabulous primer. But I'm going to put this starting first in the areas around my nose, and then I'm going to blend it outward, and that will kind of blend all these colors together to make my skin tone look like it just got a little bit of sun. Not a lot, but just a little bit of a tan. And something that has really grown on me is this Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. Very light coverage, but just enough that it makes my skin look really pretty and natural. Now I'm putting on some of my Jafra Cosmetics concealer. Love this. This is my favorite concealer. Got to make sure you have eyebrows when you get older. If not, you look very old. Something I've been using for years and years for my brows is the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I find this pencil to be just as good as any of the more expensive brands that I've tried. So I am going to quickly put this pencil on my eyebrows, and then I will do the rest of my face. Okay, the secret product for my skin that makes my skin look so young and youthful is a very light pink blush. It is from Hourglass, and I think it's called, is it their Vanish blush? I'm not sure what the name of it is. I will link it down in my description box. I use this product as a blush and also a lipstick, and I make sure that when I put my blush on, I put it right under my eyes as if I've gotten a sunburn. And it just makes my face look so young and kind of perky. It just is my secret product for getting a more youthful looking makeup application. This lip liner from Gabriel Cosmetics in the shade Nutmeg is a perfect shade. I have seen even makeup artists apply the darkest lip liner for a mature makeup look, and I think that looks terrible. I'm sorry, that's my own personal opinion. I don't want to look like I just drank chocolate milk. I just think it makes your lips look older. I don't know. It is just not my favorite thing, but this shade is a perfect shade. Not too dark, not too light. Does a great job of lining my lips. It is my favorite lip liner. I use it every day. It's from a company that I really, really like, GRWM Cosmetics. They are a cruelty-free brand. So I'm lining my lips, and then I'm actually going to use that Hourglass blush as my lipstick. And I found that by putting the same shade of blush on as my lipstick really kind of ties everything together and gives me kind of almost a very childish look on my skin, as if your skin is that baby look it used to be when you were a little kid. And the only powder I use on my face is my face powder. Everything else is a cream or a liquid. One of my favorite face powders is the translucent loose powder from Clinique. Another secret product for a very youthful looking complexion with makeup is this Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate palette. I don't use the darker shade much, but I do use the white shade, and all I do is I put some of it on my finger, tap it on my cheeks, and it gives my cheeks the most natural looking glow, as if they're glowing from within. But it doesn't look like a typical shiny gold highlighter on your face. It is just perfection. Finally, I like a little bit of gloss. This is also from GRWM Cosmetics. I think having a little bit of lip gloss on also makes you look a little bit younger. And then I have my final look. I love this look. I think it looks very youthful. I think really anybody could wear this. I don't know, maybe if you're in Florida with a lot of humidity, you might not like all the creams, but I have found that as I've matured and my skin's gotten drier and I live in a dry climate, the more I make my face look creamy and soft, the younger looking it looks. Take care, guys. I hope you enjoyed my all cream makeup look. Bye bye from Marla.